Good morning, Dexter with Essential Pressure Washing. We are in Davenport, Florida for a 2-car driveway cleaning and walkway, no sidewalk. Has some algae buildup. That's what I'm showing you. Really simple. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back. I did not show the pre-treating of the driveway, but I did pre-treat this with a 1.5% mix of sodium hypochlorite. And now we are off to the races with the surface cleaner, 19-inch here, Whisper Wash. And this driveway here is, well, as you can see, it's going to have a lot of tanning stains when I'm done because the customer told me he's a renter. He has I guess, a decent relationship with the owner, so he's getting the driveway clean, and he'll send the bill, the invoice to the homeowner, and I guess he'll get reimbursed that way because he's paying. And he contacted me basically, so he had got a pressure washer out, and he had did it the best that he could, but he still got another HOA letter after trying to surface clean it himself. So hence he got online, he found me on Google, gave me a call. We talked for a minute. He's former military. He's a former military gentleman, and we had a good conversation. As you can see, when I make this swipe up, if you see those legs in the background, that is him. He's a hands-on guy, so he's out here watching all the techniques, and he's trying to, excuse me, learn how to do this himself or make sure it's done properly. Either or. The reason I didn't show the post treating because he was having a conversation with me, and I kind of forgot to hit that record button. So that's why I didn't show post treating on this driveway. Anyway, back to the cleaning here. We are almost done with the driveway. We have a little bit of street gutter we're going to do. We're not going all the way around. He has both his vehicles parked on the curbing on the side of the house here, so we're not going to go all the way around, but we are going to curb the front of the house. And off camera, just a pro tip right here. Once I was done with rinsing this here driveway off, I got the pump sprayer with a hot mix, 6-7% mix, 1 gallon container, and I post treated, and I had to wait a little bit and post treat a little bit more because this morning it is a little cool outside, so the effects wasn't apparent right off the top. The lady just seen in a pink house coat. The lady seen the pink house coat. That was a neighbor to this gentleman right here. She wanted to speak with me about cleaning her driveway as well. I told her I'd be with her in just a second because I want to go ahead and get this thing curbed up so I can rinse it off, and then start the next phase of this cleaning. Excuse me. So what happened was, once I did go and speak with the neighbor, we ended up booking her, and I did have 3 jobs on the schedule. One of them I went to, and I didn't like the situation. I talked with the customer. We ended up not doing that job, so I came back and did her driveway, which I will show you. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are getting ready for the rinse. As you can see with this driveway here, it's kind of like lowland area, so meaning that the concrete and the soil right here, luckily we have about 2 inches, so we can try to send this water somewhere. This one side right here, not so much. It's not even 2 inches, so we're gonna have some issues with the water with puddle in it. The other driveway I'm gonna do next door to this one. I'm gonna put these 2 videos together. It is a lower, so I had serious puddling issues with that, but luckily I did bring the squeegee with me, the large squeegee, so I was able to squeeze the water off after letting it sit and recess a little bit. I was able to squeeze it off, and then I was able to apply my post treatment. You can see here it's going to be a lot of tanning stains from the oak trees on both sides of this driveway. That's why I was telling you earlier that we are going to use the pump up sprayer with a real hot mix, 6-7%, to post treat this. You can see some lines, and they may look apparent once it's done, but they are going to disappear. And I would have taken a picture of this once it was completely dry, but he had put the vehicles back onto the driveway, so I couldn't get those pictures. But it's going to be a really, really nice transformation, as you can see now. Getting ready to do these street gutters, and I'll be back with you. Stay tuned. Okay, finish. That's a wrap. To the next one. Okay, we are next door to the driveway I just completed and putting down a pre-treatment of a 1.5% sodium hypochlorite. And this driveway sits lower with the ground lining near it. So I am going to have some puddling issues I'm going to have to deal with this one right here. Nonetheless, we are going to get it cleaned up, and it's going to turn out really, really nice as well. This one has been, I believe, a few, maybe 3 years or so since the last pressure cleaning or of this driveway. A lot of tanning stains and acorn droppings and stuff because they have a oak tree sitting right there to the left, and then they have another sitting to the right. So we're gonna post treat it up really good. Then we're gonna surface clean it, rinse it off where we're gonna have a little puddling issues with it. And once we get it rinsed, we're gonna put a really hot mix down on it to clean it up and clear it up. So please stay tuned for some surface cleaning. Okay, so we're back with a finish driveway. As you can see, I had to get the squeegee out and work with it. Post treated again, heavy treatment. Everything is going to dry up and going to look really, really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Until the next time. Peace.